When I was a little girl and I got sick, my mother would make Lipton's chicken noodle soup. So that's the soup that comes in a box and it's in an envelope and it's dry. And it has these little tiny noodles in it. We used to call it log soup. And that, for some reason, used to make me feel better. I don't know if it really did or not. But they say something about chicken soup is supposed to help you get better. What is it that your mom used to do for you when you were a sick kid that helped you feel better? Go ahead and put that in the comments below. I'd love to hear the things that, you know, help us feel better when we're not feeling so great. So I'm Miss Jenny with Miss Jenny's Cleaning, and I want to talk about cold and flu prevention. We're heading into that time of the year now where things are going to start growing, and kids are going to bring it home, and you're going to run into people at work or wherever, and the flu season's coming around. The flu season, according to the Center for Disease Control, runs from October through May. So we want to get a head start on this before we get into that and find ourselves sick, right? Okay, so things that we can do to minimize the spread of disease in our home. The first thing we can do is make sure that we wash our hands regularly. And I have a video. I'm going to put a link to it up below, and I'll have it in the description as well. But the first thing is washing our hands. So we want to make sure that we wash our hands, set an example for our children, make sure that we wash our hands properly and frequently enough during the times when they need to be washed, okay? I'm gonna cough, excuse me. Still coughing, oh my gosh. Okay, so maybe I'm coming down with something. I don't think so, I just had a tickle, sorry. So other things that we can do, you want to avoid touching your face, your nose, your eyes, your mouth. This is the area of our bodies where we're most susceptible to absorbing bacteria and things that make us not feel so well. So keep your hands off your face. You want to use a tissue when you cough, so you know, or you sneeze, you put it over your face. Obviously, you can see when I do this, there's little holes there where spray can come out if I'm coughing or sneezing. That tissue will help block that. If you don't have a tissue, and I know I'm not wearing sleeves right now, but the other thing that they say to do is cough or sneeze in this way. Now, I know you may end up getting boogers on your arm or on your clothes while you're working, but according to the Centers of Disease Control, they don't really care about your fashion statement. They want you to stay healthy and keep other people healthy, or keep from spreading diseases to other people. So this is the next best thing. Okay. For some reason, that method seems to block more stuff from going out into the air than this method. I know, I was raised that way. Or people who do this. What are you doing? You're not blocking anything. You're just putting your hand. Okay. So that doesn't do anything. You know? Okay. Okay, so I said wash your hands, but sometimes we don't have we don't have water and soap at our disposal. Little hand sanitizers, or hands, I keep one in my purse. It's about this big. I got it from the dollar store. Sometimes when you go into the grocery stores, they have sanitizing wipes and lotion right there by the entrance of the door so that you can wipe off the handles of the grocery carts. A lot of public buildings might have them near elevators or outside restrooms. Use as hand sanitizers if you don't have access to running soap and water. A lot of people keep it in their cars. You want to make sure that during this season you're disinfecting areas that people touch a lot. So telephones, doorknobs, the handles on the toilet, I think, is something that people miss a lot. The sinks, the faucets on the sink, you want to make sure that you're wiping those off with the disinfectant. The remote control, another thing that people don't think to clean, and they get pretty grubby. Stay away from sick people. Common sense, right? Not always possible if you have somebody in your house maybe that's brought something home, but you want to try to avoid being around sick people if at all possible. And then if for some reason you do come down with something, you want to stay home from school or from work until you're ready to go back to work. You don't want to take the icky stuff into work and get other people sick. So those are just a few tips to help prevent the spread of cold and flu this season. I'm Miss Jenny. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a comment below, hit the subscribe button, and let me know if you like this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.